Henry, and I'm going to be giving you a quick workshop on the most fundamental and common style of acting, naturalism. So, naturalism was created by a man called Konstantin Stanislavski in the 1900s in Russia. It's such an important method of acting that you probably don't even realise you're using it as your base. Naturalism is the idea of creating a realistic and believable theatre through using multiple dramatic devices. This could be things from having props, realistic set, and always having fully appropriate costume for the characters you're playing. This all adds to create an illusion for the audience of believability to your performances, and that's what it's all about, believability. So aside from the makeup of a play or production, what else can we do to make our performances natural and therefore believable? Well, one method is to use emotional memory, and I'm going to teach you this today. This is to link your own memories and experiences and how you felt in that moment to the performance and character that you are acting. So, what I'm going to get you to do is to use emotional memory. Listen to my instructions and then have a go yourself. First, sit down on a chair or somewhere comfortable and quiet. Next, imagine your favourite food. Have you got it? Good. Next, act out picking it up, the weight of it as you pick it up. How would you hold it? Would you use a knife and fork? Practice this a few times, acting out picking up whatever item it would be. Now, act out eating it. The texture, the taste, how happy it will make you feel when you eat it. Act out all of this. Make sure you use your facial expressions and your actions, but realistically. That is the point of naturalistic theatre. Now, take how happy you felt about eating your favourite food, and now think of your most hated food, one you would never normally eat. Persevere, and think about the love you have for the other one, and repeat the steps I said earlier. The key here is to create a believable performance, even though it's something you hate. It's taking that memory of something you love and applying it to something that is something you normally wouldn't do. This is the fundamental for emotional memory. Pause this video and retry the steps I said earlier, but this time using your most hated food. Did you manage to make yourself feel like it was your favourite? Do you think an audience would believe it's your favourite? That's the most important thing. Does it appear believable? I hope you've learned something from this quick tour of naturalism and the dramatic device I showed you.